All right, folks. Coming up next is Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 528. This train will be headed to Sacramento. Pulling up on track number 2 at Oakland Jet London Square Station. A cat car is leading this one off. There she goes down there arriving. Has a cement charger in the back. All right, folks, cat car. I think that's either 8310 Mount Hamilton. Mount Hamilton, give it up for that set. Again, I started to see Mount Hamilton more, and I rode on Mount Hamilton. So this is 8310 Mount Hamilton, lead it off. So we will take a break after these commercial breaks. Okay, we are back. This is Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 528, headed to Sacramento. 8310 Mount Hamilton leads off. There go this cat car I always ride on the San Joaquin train so many times. Oh wow, 2108 in the back. 8310 with 2108. Alright folks, train is off to Sacramento. Continue on to Emeryville, Berkeley, Richmond, Martinez, Fairfield, Sasu, Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis, and Sacramento. At Sacramento Station, bus connection service to downtown Reno to Reno Sparks, Nevada. Thank you for watching. Have a good Friday. Happy Friday. Bye-bye.